Welcome to Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. Today we're going to have a quick look at this denim blue Siemens A62 mobile phone handset, which was released in 2004. In addition to denim blue, the handset was also released in mystic purple. Looking at some of the technical specifications for the A62, it is a GSM handset, came with 2G, GSM 900, 1800 and 1900. It had Class A GPRS but no Edge. Dimensions for the handset were 101 by 45 by 19mm. It was a total weight of only 76 grams and came with the mini SIM, which was typical for handsets around that period. Cameras were a rarity in 2004, so it wouldn't be a surprise to hear that this handset didn't have one. The resolution was 101 by 80 pixels and the display had 4096 colours. It wouldn't be a surprise to hear that the A62 wasn't necessarily a top-of-the-range handset back in 2004, therefore there wasn't anything like infrared, Bluetooth, GPS radio, and there wasn't a card slot, which would have made transferring files just that little bit more difficult. As you seen a little earlier on, it came with a couple of games, which was Magic Picture and Stack Attack. You could also download other games using the WAP 1.2.1 browser. Messaging was through AMS and SMS. There wasn't any Java. However, other features included a calculator, reminder list, stopwatch, currency calculator and a predictive text input. The battery is a removable lithium-ion 700mAh battery. Standby time was a fairly respectable 10 to 11 days, and you could get anywhere between 4.5 and 5 hours talk time. So overall, the Siemens A62 is not a bad handset if you just want to text and call. Couldn't do much in the way of communications. Looking through review forums on the internet, the overwhelming vast majority of people talk about how reliable it is after all this time. Just like to take this opportunity to say thank you very much for visiting me, Alan, here at Vintage Mobile Phone Reviews. If you've enjoyed the video, please appreciate if you could like, subscribe and also share.